According to the World Economic Forum's 2019 report, sea levels are expected to rise by half a metre by the year 2050. Over the past decades, governments and policymakers have been unmoved by the footage of melting polar ice sheets and crumbling glaciers. After all, these events triggered by global warming were only happening in the remote polar regions and had no direct impact on people or infrastructure. With unprecedented levels of carbon dioxide and greenhouse gas emissions, economies were booming at the expense of the environment. But now, the focus of the problem is shifting away from the polar regions and right into people's own backyards. An estimated 90% of coastal regions are due to experience above-average rise in sea levels within the next 30 years. Where does this put us? Here's an illustration of how the rising seawater is expected to take over the US coastline in the next 50 years. The UK and European landmass is also expected to shrink as depicted in the next 50 years. Every coastal city of the world is at risk. 800 million people in 570 coastal cities will need a new home. People living away from the coast are no safer. Increased storm surges, hurricanes, rainfall, heat waves and drought. The results of global warming will be devastating. Yet we want to wait till the first flooding, till the first city goes underwater. By then, it will be too late to act. Let's act.